everybody? What's up, everybody? So anyways, today I'm coming at y'all with a vlog because I just got off of work and I'm feeling like really good, like really good. So don't mind my thumb, y'all. I've been picking my thumbs. It's really bad. So anyways, y'all, so I'm coming to y'all today because I'm cleaning my apartment. So I was just like, what the hell, I might as well just come say hey or whatever. Y'all can just chill with me while I clean my apartment, and then after that, you know, it's just a vlog or whatever. I don't really have nothing in mind. We just vlogging today. Today is, what's today, Tank? Today is April the 17th. So yeah, y'all, we just cleaning up. I'm off from work, just got home a little while ago. Like, don't mind my shirt either. I got like this tank top on underneath this, and this hole is super big, so like it make this shirt all crazy fitting. We just gonna disregard that if y'all wondering why my shirt looks so crazy. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to cut back on this music and I'm finna just finish cleaning up, so I will see y'all when I get finished.
I tried to tell them they weren't listening when I said something. And I know all my exes miss the rest now. And I used to be broke, but I got bread now. I was cursed when I was born, a nigga blessed now. They ain't feed me nothing but the crumb. They ain't leave me with nothing but scars. People even told me it was hard. Hit my knees and I looked up to God. Fell in love with some bitches, had love with some niggas that weren't really with me. I didn't know had these incidents, none of my niggas was silent. I mean,
what's up, y'all? So my damn vacuum broke. Like in the last clip. Oh shit, wrong world. In the last clip, I was like vacuuming or whatever, and then the vacuum just gave out. Like the vacuum just stopped. I don't know what the fuck going on. So anyways, I tried to plug it up in a different socket. Didn't work. I waited and then tried to plug it back up and then try to turn it on. It didn't work. So basically, yeah, I'm screwed. So I called my mama and I asked her, can she bring me her vacuum? So she might bring me her vacuum, or she said she was, but she said she had the vacuum, so I don't know if she gonna bring it to me. But y'all, I still got like stuff on the floor. Like I put that powder stuff on the floor, like the vacuum carpet freshener on the floor, and I don't know what I'm gonna do if I don't get no vacuum. Like, carpet freshener just gonna be on the floor, I guess. Then I have some clothes to fold. So I'm about to wash, sparkle, and fold these clothes. And then once I fold the clothes, I got dishes to wash. So I'm gonna start washing the dishes. Yeah. So after that, that's about it, y'all. I'm not doing much. Except for cleaning up. Like, that's basically was my whole day. Cleaning up, which I ain't tripping. But yeah, I would definitely talk to y'all. Well, I don't know if I will talk to y'all later, but yeah, if I don't talk to y'all later, it was nice talking to y'all. I spent the time with y'all today, but I am pooped, okay? Like, look at my hair. I look pooped. So I'm finna yeah, I keep saying I'm finna, but I'm about to do these clothes. Once this movie play, I'm waiting for it to load on a Fire Stick. So if y'all got a Fire Stick, y'all already know it takes a little minute. But anyways, it was nice talking to y'all, spending the evening with y'all. And if I don't talk to y'all, see y'all later. Bye. And thanks for chilling with Taharaslounge, or chilling in the lounge. Bye, y'all.
Fell in love with some bitches, had love with some niggas that worry.